Ever wondered how your favorite pair of shoes is made? Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel, No Logic. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of our videos. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of shoe manufacturing. Let's break down the entire process step by step. Shoes come in all shapes, sizes and styles, but the basic process of making them remains largely the same. From design to production, let's see how it's done. The journey of a shoe begins with a design. Designers sketch their ideas, considering both aesthetics and functionality. They use software to create three-dimensional models, allowing them to visualize the final product and make adjustments. Next, materials are selected. The choice depends on the type of shoe being made. Leather, fabric, rubber, and synthetic materials are commonly used. Each material is chosen for its unique properties, ensuring durability and comfort. A crucial part of shoemaking is creating the last. A last is a three-dimensional model of a foot that gives the shoe its shape. These lasts can be made from wood, plastic, or metal, and are essential for ensuring a proper fit. With the last ready, patterns are cut from the chosen materials. These pieces will form the upper part of the shoe. Precision is key here to minimize waste and ensure each piece fits perfectly. The cut pieces are then stitched together to create the upper. Skilled workers use sewing machines to join the pieces, ensuring strong and durable seams. The assembled upper is then placed on the last. The shoe begins to take shape as the upper is stretched and molded. Next, the midsole and outsole are added. These layers provide cushioning and traction. Attaching the sole is a critical step. The sole is glued and often stitched to the upper, ensuring it stays securely in place. This part of the process requires both precision and strength. With the sole attached, the shoe is nearly complete. Need to make a good looking for the shoe. Finishing touches like laces, logos, and any additional decorations are added. These details not only enhance the shoe's appearance, but also its functionality. Before the shoes are packaged and shipped, they undergo rigorous quality control. Inspectors check for defects, ensuring each pair meets high standards of quality and durability. Finally, the shoes are packaged and prepared for shipping. They're boxed, labeled, and sent off to stores or directly to customers. And that's how a shoe is made. From a simple sketch to a finished product, every step is crucial in creating the shoes we wear every day. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fascinating insights into the world of manufacturing.